Custom spoilers molded into an S2000 Honda. Doing a conversion on this S2000. It's got a fiberglass top, hard top, kind of like the Porsche Targas. And what we're doing is molding in a spoiler. Fiberglassed it, molded it into the body. It's a video from Clear Coat Framing Collision. See all the cars we do. You know, oldies, classics, new cars. We specialize in new cars, but some of the customers want us to work on their classic cars also. So this is the S2000. It was totally redone, repainted. We built in custom shocks so that it'll open like a tailgate. We cut out the lights so you can upgrade the lights. You'll see at the end how it all comes out. So again, this is a video, Clear Coat Framing Collision in Santa Ana, California. See all the vehicles we are working on.